Hello everyone. This is about the political parties in Japan. I would say the easiest topic about the constitution of Japan. I have included the general features of the political system in Japan in this video. There are a total of 8 features of Japanese political system. First is extra constitutional growth. Whenever there is parliamentary system or democracy in a country, the political parties are largely a extra constitutional growth. For example, in Japan, there is no mention of political parties in the constitution of Japan. These are purely extra constitutional growth. That means constitution इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं कहता है, country ने खुद से ये political parties form की हैं. जहां भी democracy होगी, parliamentary form of government होगा, वहां पर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आपको मोस्टली एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ग्रोथ की ही मिलेंगी. अब बिकॉज दे हैव पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, सो ऑब्वियसली इट गिव्स birth to cabinet system, and this cabinet is obviously responsible to the legislature or the diet in case of Japan. So you have to remember that political parties are an extra constitutional growth in Japan. You might get an MCQ question regarding this. Next feature is long single party rule. This means that एक ही पार्टी ने काफी लंबे टाइम तक रूल किया जापान में, and that party is Liberal Democratic Party. So whenever somebody asks you which party is the dominant party in Japan, your answer would be the Liberal Democratic Party. It is a conservative party also. For example, in case of India, Congress was the party which was continuously winning elections for a long period of time. But recently in 2014, BJP came into picture. Similarly, in case of Japan, Liberal Democratic Party was the dominating party. It was the party which ruled for a long period of time. Splits and merger. That means there are a lot of parties in Japan. Okay? Japan also has multi-party system, similarly as in case of India. So whenever there are a large number of political parties, तो बहुत सारी parties उसमें ऐसी होती हैं which do not even fulfill the criteria of being called a political party. तो उसकी वजह से they sometimes split into two or they merge with some bigger party. So there are a lot of splits and merger in political parties in Japan. This is because these are incompatible groups. एक party form कर लिया है आज, लेकिन 6 महीने बाद 7 महीने बाद you came to know that no, my party is not working efficiently. I either have to split it into two parts or I have to merge it with some bigger party. There is a phrase common about this: change their labels with great ease. These parties, that means whenever they want, at their discretion, they can either join a political party or they can split themselves from a political party. So it's very easy for them to change their labels, to change their exact name. Multiplicity of political parties. I've just told you that there are more than 260 political parties, due to which there is an internal strife. There are different parties. Some party is for the modernization of women, some is for something else, and so on. There are a lot of political parties in Japan. Absence of mass base. These parties, these political parties, they do not have a mass base. For example, in India, everybody knows what Congress is. What are the ideals of Congress? Who is the head of Congress? Who are the members of Congress? But this is not the case in Japan. Japanese people have nothing to do with their political parties. These political parties, they do not have a mass base. These are just associations of some professional politicians and administrators. All their emphasis is on the House of Representatives, the lower chamber of Diet. These parties are just Diet centers. All they are related about, all they are working for is Diet, the House of Representatives, which elects the Prime Minister of the country. These parties, they have nothing to do with the local masses. Bureaucratization. This means that there are a lot of government officials who are involved in political parties, due to which these parties are diet centered. So the influence, the engagement of officials in this political system, the political parties are known to be bureaucratized. Role of religion. There was a time when there was no religious party in Japan. Recently, some time ago, there was a party named Komito Party, which was formed with a religious belief. So this is a Buddhist organization. I have told you already that Japan is a secular state, so they do not promote any kind of religion, nor they suppress any kind of religious activity. So this is the first religious party formed in Japan. Localism. I have told you already, we have discussed that these parties, they do not have a mass base. So when people go for voting, they do not vote for a particular party. They vote for the candidate. For example, in case of India, whenever there are presidential, prime minister elections, what do? We know that if we are going to vote for BJP, that means we are going to vote for Narendra Modi. If we are going to vote for Congress, which implies that we are going to vote for Rahul Gandhi. So this thing is not present in Japan. They vote for their friends, their neighbors. They have nothing to do with what are their ideologies, which party do they belong to, nothing. All they know that, yes, he's my good friend, he's my neighbor, so I have to vote for him only. So they go and they just search for the acquainted people and they vote for them. They have nothing to do with which political party they belong to. These were some of the features, in fact, all of the features of the Japanese political party system. If you like this lecture, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe my channel to get the entire lecture, entire series of the Constitution of Japan and other constitutions as well. If you want to attempt some quizzes related to any of the topic I have mentioned in my all videos and some topics apart from that also, you can follow me on Instagram. I have mentioned my username here. I post daily questions and some interesting facts which you might not be knowing till now. For joining my Telegram channel, the link is below in the description box. I also have a Telegram doubt group where you can ask your doubts in case you have any. Facebook page is also active by the same name, Be Literate, Act Literate, the motto of my channel. If you want to follow me on these platforms, the link is below in the description box. I have also provided you the username, so you can follow me there. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before closing this video. Thank you for watching.